If you're still sucking at deploying apps or still paying billions of dollars each second, this video might be for you. I mean, you could be spending your hard-earned money on better things. Let's fix that. Alright, let's start by creating our super slick Next.js app. Run this command and voila, you're cooking up Storm with Next.js. Now let's open our code editor and make some magic happen. Now comes the tricky part. Docker. Sounds like a bot, doesn't it? But trust me, it's not. Docker lets us put our app in a container so it's easier to ship. We're going full shipping mode. No loads package here. First, let's create our Dockerfile. No, it's not a typo. Dockerfile, not Dockfile, not donutfile or anything you might be thinking. Get it right. Let's add the commands that tell Docker how to build and serve our app. Alright, time to take our app from the comfort of our local machine to a fancy VPS. You know that thing that sounds expensive but isn't? Connect to your VPS via SSH using this command. SSH is like your VIP pass to your server. Once you're in, it's like walking into your own tech party. Before we can deploy our app, we need Docker on our VPS. Run this command to install Docker on your VPS. Now let's deploy the app. First, we need to copy our code base to the VPS. It's like sending your app a plane ticket to its new home. You will need to navigate to your app. We'll use this command to build the image. It's like unwrapping a gift, a really well-packaged gift. Once that's done, let's start the Docker container on the VPS. And there you go, you officially deploy a Next.js app using Docker. If you want to know more about deploying apps, I can make a full tutorial about deploying an app using Next.js, Nginx and a SSL certificate. Now take a moment to feel awesome. You're now the proud owner of a beautifully deployed Next.js app running smoothly on Docker and a VPS. No more paying crazy fees for cloud services, and you can deploy like a boss. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments how your deployment went. Or if you broke anything, no judgment, we all been there. Now go forth and deploy like the tech wizard you are. Until next time.